Gifter 1 India sale is back. So hi everyone, will you believe me that now you can buy a voucher at just ₹1 only? Shocking, isn't it? But believe me, Gifter has made it possible with its 1 India sale, where Gifter is providing you the gift vouchers of all top brands at just ₹1 only. So excited to know more, right? So let me show you how you can buy a gift voucher at just ₹1. Now first go to the gifter.com and add a gift voucher of worth ₹1,500 or above in your cart. Then a pop-up will appear on the screen that you are eligible for the offer. Click on the claim deal option and here you will get the list of your favorite brand to choose a voucher you wish to add. Now that voucher will be added to your cart at just ₹1. And that's it. Your voucher will be delivered to you instantly. Also, here you'll get the unlimited cashback credited to your ePay at the moment. Now before you go, the sale is live till 12 November midnight only. So go grab your vouchers and happy shopping.